Can I have a salad?
Yeah.
I'm broke.
What about you?
I'm out of here, Steph.
No,
Just a water,
you can't
please.
leave. You've got
You don't want
big bills.
anything?
I'm a little bit broke.
All right, see right here. And here's that. And here's your menu. What do you want?
Can I have a please burger cheese?
Oh, okay. All right, I'll take that from you. Bye-bye. Here you go. Do you need anything else?
I'm fine. Nothing.
Okay, great.
No, I'm joking.
Yeah, he was seeing his toes.
You dead.
I like cheeseburgers. Cheeseburgers are pretty cool, you know. I hate everyone.
Yeah,
I think you should,
yeah, he was seeing his toes.
Well, guess I'm dead now.
He's like really upset.
This is pretty crazy. What is happening? Yeah, this is pretty weird.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been saying that. They're like,
Oh, wow. I've never been. No, I'm joking. No, I'm joking.
They broke up in a restaurant, and he left without paying the bill.
Got Landon's.
Then a stranger showed